Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here question is a cone is given, this rotating about an axis, and we have to calculate the magnitude of the angular velocity and the angle it forms with the vertical. Here angle alpha is given 30 degree, radius of the cone is 5 centimeter, and the velocity of that cone is 10. Important thing is the cone is both rotating and translating. So let's start y-axis in anti-clockwise manner. That means it will rotate in this way, and simultaneously the face of the cone rotating clockwise manner. If it is rotating clockwise, that clockwise, that is rotating anti-clockwise. That means that has for this face that angular velocity, if it is rotate in this way, that angular velocity component, let that component for this face, that is omega naught, and that rotation we also have another angular velocity component that is in y-axis direction, that let's say that is omega dash. Omega naught, as we know, v equal to r omega, that concept we have to use, v equal to r omega as we have seen, and that velocity, angular velocity in that direction, that is omega naught. We can have that angular velocity radius, that is omega naught. If we see that, so omega naught r equal to v, omega naught equal to v by r, rotating in this manner, that the angular velocity, the r, and that makes angle, let's say is the perpendicular, you remember this one, into or c equal to v, this is our omega dash j cap. Omega vector equal to omega naught vector plus omega dash vector, v by r minus I cap plus v by r cot alpha j cap square plus v by r cot alpha square root over. That means v by r 1 plus 1 by cot square alpha power half. That means v by r cos alpha. This is the omega. That omega in that directions, omega dash, and the omega not in the direction, the omega, let's say, is a resultant vector that makes, that is omega, that makes theta with the vertical. If you want to calculate the theta, this is our omega, as you have seen, this is our omega dash, and this is our omega naught. Right? This one got omega naught. This is the theta. If you want to calculate the theta, tan theta equal to omega naught vector magnitude, then magnitude omega dash vector, that is v by r into r cot alpha by v, that is cot alpha. Cot alpha is, I can say, 10 pi by 2 minus alpha, 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Omega, as we have the value of all those v and r, and we will get the answer. Instead of v, r and alpha, we will, if we put that. Similarly, in the next part, we will solve that vector of the magnitude of the vector of angular acceleration of the cone. Thank you.